If I would describe digital in 3 words, it would be committed, innovative, and honest, in that order. Hi, my name is Peter, owner of ThuysVers. I started this company 5 years ago, and we focus on ready-to-eat meals.
I'm Aaron, marketing lead at ThuysVers. I would describe ThuysVers as authentic, definitely mission-driven, and fast.
So this project had a short deadline. That's why we chose to go to Amsterdam to do the define and design phase together with them, because there was a lot of complexity, and thus we needed to try and understand the full scope of the project as quickly as possible.
So in the define and design process, we look at the most important user flows, and we look at them from a design perspective and a technical perspective, and we map them into a beautiful design.
We've decided to switch from WooCommerce to Shopify. The customer experience is clearly a lot better. The website is faster, there's a lot more proper operating functionality. The marketing capabilities are significantly better. To be honest, it's really a candy shop for us.
Complexity of the project arises from the fact that their products actually switch every single week, because they have certain menus for every week. They deliver in the whole of the Netherlands. We needed to make sure that the right shipping methods were surfaced during checkout for your specific location. And this is what we built in a custom application for ThuysVers on top of Shopify. After returning, we started up a couple of development sprints, and we delivered the project in 2 months' time.
What really stood out for me, and I'm still really appreciating currently, is the level of strategic thinking. Like, we're not just sending over briefings and that gets developed, but we actually have a partner which we expose to our problems, and we get consultative sessions on that and real solutions as well.
We wanted to find an agency who really listens to our problem, and we found them.
We obviously want to continue to scale, that's going really well.
I would like ThuysVers to be the standard for ready-to-eat meals in 5 years. So if you think about the ready-to-eat meals, you think about ThuysVers, but only in a healthy way.